It's finally here, the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL, and there are three things I really liked about this phone: AI features, AI features, and AI features. Wait, what? Are AI features the only thing I liked about this phone? Actually, no. There are two even more impressive things about this phone. This video is going to be exciting, man. So let's get started. First, let's talk about the AI features. And I know what you're thinking. Well, I don't know what you're thinking, but what I do know is that some people think that AI features in smartphones are useless. They think it's a gimmick. It's a marketing tool basically and not useful in day to day usage. But I think that these people are wrong. AI features on smartphones are not just for show, they are actually pretty cool and can make your life a lot easier. With that said, let's talk about the AI features on the Pixel 9 Pro XL, and I'll show you why these features are so cool. First of all, there's the Add Me feature. If you're on a trip with your friends and want to take like a group photo, what you usually do is ask a stranger to click a photo for you. But with this phone, you don't have to do that. All you need to do is take a picture of your friends first, and after this, you'll have to take a second picture of yourself. And what this feature basically does is combine both the images into a single picture. And it's so flawless that you won't even notice. Although I have to say that this feature works best in good lighting conditions. The second AI feature is this app called Pixel Screenshots. Now what this app does is it stores the screenshots that you take. It analyzes those screenshots for things like Wi-Fi passwords, credit card numbers, messages, usernames, and a bunch of other things. And whenever you need this information in the future, you can just search for it in this app. Next on this list is the Reimagine feature. Now this is a generative AI tool that you will find in the Magic Editor. Now this feature is a little bit different than the image generation that you get with ChatGPT and Meta AI. What happens with ChatGPT, Meta AI, or even Gemini is that you give them a prompt and they generate an image for you. Simple enough, right? But with the Reimagine feature, you have to take a photo, select a part of it, and then give a prompt. Now based on your prompt, this feature is gonna modify the existing image. Oh, and by the way, Gemini Assistant is the default voice assistant on this phone instead of Google Assistant. And it can do a lot of cool stuff like answering complex questions, writing emails, and making suggestions. Another AI feature that really impressed me was Call Notes, which essentially records your phone calls and then creates a summary about it. And the reason why it's really cool is because maybe if you're having a conversation with your clients, your teacher, or if you're fixing an appointment with a doctor and you want to note something down, then this feature will be really useful for you. Alright, so I think I have talked enough about AI features, but if you're buying a phone that's so expensive, you know what the price tag for this phone is? It's rupees 1,24,999. Crazy, right? And at this price, you kind of expect your phone to have top-notch hardware, the kind of hardware you get with iPhone 15 Pro Max or the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Does this phone give you that? We'll have to find out. But first, let's focus on the cameras. So the Pixel 9 Pro XL has a 50 megapixel main camera, a 48 megapixel ultra wide camera, and a 48 megapixel telephoto camera with 5x optical zoom. It also has a 42 megapixel selfie camera with autofocus. The main camera on both the Pixel 9 Pro and the iPhone 15 Pro Max capture almost identical pictures, and there's very little difference between them. But if you zoom in, you'll notice that the iPhone 15 Pro gives a slightly sharper image. Now take a look at this close-up shot of a flower. The iPhone 15 Pro Max is slightly better in terms of image quality, offering sharper focus and more realistic tones with a darker, more natural looking exposure. On the other hand, the Pixel 9 Pro XL gives warmer tones and slightly better exposure. And to be honest, I personally prefer the image taken with the Pixel 9 Pro XL. It's just softer and more natural. The ultra wide camera has also improved compared to the Pixel 8 Pro. allowing it to capture more light, which helps expose shadows better. Selfies also look much better now thanks to the upgraded 42 megapixel selfie camera. It's able to capture much more details of your face, especially compared to the softer tones that you get with the Pixel 8 Pro. Okay, so the AI features are impressive, the camera is good, but what about the processor? Is it as good as the iPhone 15 Pro Max or the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra? Well, no. The Pixel 9 Pro XL comes with a Tensor G4, which is better than last year's Tensor G3, but still, the Geekbench score of this phone is less than both the iPhone 15 Pro Max as well as the Galaxy S24 Ultra. I don't think it's a big problem because the phone is still very responsive and they have also upgraded the RAM to 16 GB, so you can easily multitask. We haven't talked about the design, right? Well, if I have to use one word for it, I would say that it's just awesome. It really feels like a premium phone, with its matte finish and aluminium frame. If you look at it from the front, it almost looks like an iPhone, and because of its flat edges, it's easier to hold. The iconic camera bump is still there, they have just modified it a little bit. The color options are really cool as well. You get 4 color options: Pokelin, Rose Quartz, Hazel, and Obsidian. Overall, in terms of design, the Pixel 9 Pro XL looks way cooler than an iPhone, at least in my opinion. It comes with a 6.8-inch OLED display with 120Hz refresh rate and a peak brightness of 3000 nits. If I have to use 3 words to describe the display, I would use sharp, bright, and smooth. Overall, the Pixel 9 Pro XL is a fantastic phone with impressive AI features, a great camera system, and a stunning design. While its processor may not be as powerful as Apple's and Samsung's, it still delivers a smooth and responsive user experience. Should you buy it? Well, if you can afford the price tag, then go for it. But I'm gonna end this video here. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.